In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI in Notion. To get started, open Notion on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your workspace. Once you're inside, the main thing to understand is that AI controls in Notion can vary a little depending on your account type, your workspace plan, and whether you're a regular member or a workspace owner. So if your screen looks slightly different, that's completely normal. Next, go to Settings. In some versions of Notion, this may appear simply as Settings, while in others it may say Settings and Members. Open that area, then look for the section related to Notion AI. This is where the platform groups the available AI controls for your workspace. If you're the workspace owner, you may notice additional management options that other users won't see, so permissions can make a big difference here. Once you're in the Notion AI settings, review the options available to you. Depending on your workspace, you may be able to turn off AI web search, which can limit AI from pulling in web-based results. You may also see an option to disable sharing data to improve Notion AI, which is useful if you want more control over privacy. In the same area, you might be able to manage AI connectors, adjust personalization settings, and configure AI meeting notes. Not every account will show every setting, so don't worry if your menu is shorter than expected. The exact choices depend on your plan and access level. If your goal is simply to avoid using AI in day-to-day work, there are also practical ways to reduce how often it appears. Try not to select AI commands from menus, ignore AI prompts and suggestions when they pop up, and use Notion's regular editing and formatting tools instead of any AI-assisted features. This won't completely remove AI from the app, but it can make your workflow feel much more standard and distraction-free. If you've gone through the settings and still can't fully disable AI, there is one more option to explore. Some users have reported that Notion support may be able to disable certain AI features for a workspace if you contact them directly. This is not a self-service setting, and it may not be available for every account, but it can still be worth asking if full removal is important to you. And that's how to disable AI in Notion, or at least limit it as much as your account allows.